Welcome to a short and concise tutorial on how to use fast molds. We have 3 sets of 6, 18 molds altogether, and 3 different contours. We have deep, medium, and shallow. Each mold consists of 3 lines, 3 in the front and 3 in the back. Now these lines are all labeled. The top label is for the contour, and the lines at the back are for the length front to back, and the lines at the front are for the front hairline shape. You also have parting and crown placement labels. Now I'm going to show you how to use them. First, you want to take a look at your client's head and determine their contour shape. For example, I determined that this head is a shallow scalp. I'm going to go into the shallow set and I'm going to pull out S1. And as you can see, it perfectly fits the contour. Next, we're going to look at the size. From the front to the back, we're going to look at the 3 lines at the back, and I'm going to determine what size the head is. Now, if the lines at the back don't fit, you can always use a measuring tape. And just like you would measure a scalp, go right at the center and to the back, and that is going to be the number that you're going to write down instead of the labels at the back. Now, for the front hairline shape, you have F1, F2, and F3. So for example, let's say this head is an F2 and the size is a B2. Now, if there are any special crown or parting lines, you may use the labels at the top of the mold. They have P1, P2, P4, P5, and P3 for a center part. And at the top, you'll see X's, which are labeled with C, R, and L for center crown, left crown, and right crown. And you're all set. Your custom order should look like this. S1 for the contour shape, B2 for the size, F2 for the front hairline, C for center crown, P4 for a right part. And there you have it, a fast and easy way to create a custom order using a Superhairpieces fast mold. For more information or to order your set today, visit www.superhairpieces.com and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more informative videos like this.